Hey everybody, Robert here with brpautodesigns.com. Today I'm going to show you, I'm going to share an issue that I've been having with my Jeep Gladiator. I think a lot of you guys have had the same issue, and if you have a Gladiator or a Jeep Wrangler JL, it's the same problem. What am I talking about? Let me show you. So, if any of you guys have had this problem, we've got a fix for it. And what I mean by that is this. Yep, it broke. This is the second time that it's broken. I've had it repaired one time. This happened like 6 months ago. I took it into the dealership. They fixed it. When I was there at the dealership, I asked my rep, I asked him, hey, did they fix it or did they fix it? Well, he said, we think they just put the same old part in it that was in it originally. So it's gonna keep happening. If I take it to the dealership again, I'm gonna waste my time, one, and it's gonna happen again. So I started doing some research and I found the perfect product that will solve that issue. And the best thing is, if you need one, it will also be on our website, so you can order them and we'll ship them to you. Let's get started. Let's walk over to my table and I'm going to show you what that is. Alrighty, so what I've got here is actually, I've got the packaging, and I'm going to open it up and show you what's in the package, what comes with the kit. When we open it, of course, you're going to get this little piece of paper with the instructions on how to do it. We're really not going to need that because I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how to install it. But it does come with it if for some reason you don't have a video next to you. Here we pull this out and it comes with two Phillips screws. They're a little bit longer than the ones you're going to remove, and the reason for that is so they can grab onto this as well. So they have to be longer. So you're going to come. You're going to come with it's going to come with two. Sorry about that. And then these are the clips. There's two of them, one for each side, one for the driver and one for the passenger side. This is pretty much all you're going to need, or to get that going. And then you're also going to need a Phillips screwdriver or drill and a T20 bit. We've got our T20 here. Here it is, T20. We're going to use those two. The T20 is going to be to remove the bolts that we're going to remove, and then we're going to reinstall these, and that's it. Let's go to the truck and then I'll show you guys how it's done. Okay, so if yours has already fallen, you want to just go ahead and put a light tug on it, just get it loose, just so it can be out of your way. Then we're going to take our T20 and line it up here if I can. There you go. Slowly remove it. There it is. Now we're gonna tug it in as best as we can. Move it forward. You're gonna get your screw. Put it in like so. Line it up. Let me see if I can feel that. There we go. And then push down in there. Now you can take your Phillips. There it is. Now we'll go ahead and go to the other side and do that one. Keep in mind, I'm still gonna have the dealership fix that, because I want this little bracket to actually serve as support and not be the only thing that's holding it on. I believe that by installing these in the long run, it's gonna be better if it's, once they fix it, it'll just give it that support and it should be good and it should last forever. Okay, everybody, so we're all finished up. It took us about 10 to 15 minutes, and that was with us recording or making this video. Anyway, we're all done. If you guys like these and you need some for your JL or Gladiator, hit us up. We'll have them on our website at brpautodesigns.com. Other than that, we're all finished up here. Anyways, good luck, and you know the drill. Hit the subscribe button, follow us, like, share, etc., etc. Anyways, good luck. We'll see you out there on the trails. Bye.